Yo, hello traders, it's your one and only Forex Q coach, Team Legion, and I'm super excited to have you all here today on this one. All right, so guys, I decided to take a live trade and show you guys how I took this trade, why I took this trade, and what I anticipate that might likely happen even while this trade is on. All right, so if you get to observe right now, you would notice the way the price is moving up and down and kind of very fast. That's to let you know that I'm currently trading the news, all right? And that's the USD news. So I'm going to have to add more positions. And now you might likely ask, Tim, why are you doing this? Why do you think that this thing would not go against you? Anyway, when it comes to Forex, anything can happen, all right? But we always want to have reasons why we trade. You know, like I always tell you guys, you need to have confluences. Why? Because your confluence is your confidence to place that trade. Okay, let me add. Yeah, okay. All right, so your confluence is your confidence to place your trade. And in a bit, I'm going to show you my confluence is why I feel that this price would have to go in my favor. Okay, so I think it's okay. It's okay for now. Yeah. All right, let me see. Okay, yeah, I think it's enough for now. So I will just see how it goes. All right, so the next thing I want to do is to place my stop loss, and we'll just have to do that right below. So guys, in case if you're first time on this channel, could you do me a little favor? Hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, because in this channel all I give you guys are content that help you make money in the financial market. All right, so what is your question right now on this trade? Team, why did you trade it from here? Why are you confident to play this trade, and why do you think it's gonna go in profits? All right, so here's the thing, guys. Let me bring out an arrow so I can show you. Okay, so now right now I have anticipation that this price has to move and get to this top, okay, all the way from here. All right, I want to push it to the top. All right, so that's my anticipation. All right, that is gonna move all the way to that top. The reason why I anticipate that to happen is because if you get to observe, we have a chart pattern here. That's here. All right, so here we have shoulder, head, and the second shoulder, which is an inverse head and shoulder. That was why price shot to the upside. Counting, I'm anticipating at least $400 to $500. Okay, so then now I want to set my TP. My anticipated take profit should be around here on this resistance zone. Okay, I'll just have to modify this. Okay, all right, so that's where I'm anticipating to take my profit from, and I hope it indeed goes as anticipated. So you can see my first confluence is the inverse head and shoulder chart pattern that I just found. And then another confluence is the fact that price is coming from a support level. You can see from the 4-hour time frame, you can see here that price recently came from a support level and shooting to the upside. Another confluence is that this is an uptrending market, and price is the upside. Indeed busy. So this is the reason why I'm to the top. Okay, to actually take that buy. And not just that, I still have more confluences, and I really need to show you guys. Hey, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and the bell, please turn it on, guys, turn it on. All right, so we're still counting, and I told you I'm anticipating at least $400 to $500 on this, but mostly 400 because by the time it gets to my TP, it's gonna be 400 and something or so. Yeah. Now another confluence is my DXY. Here you can see on the DXY, like I've showed you guys several videos concerning the DXY strategy that I always use. So if you haven't watched it, you want to click on the top here right now, or you just go to my previous videos. You're going to see my DXY strategy. Okay, you need to watch it and learn it. So using the DXY, I can see clearly that dollar is currently on a strong fall, of which you can see at the resistance zone here. Okay, you can see all right, you can see here price is on a strong resistance zone. You can see the rejection before, and I told you guys that whenever dollar is falling on the DXY, it simply means that any currency pairing against dollar would have to rise. and any currency where dollar is the one pairing against that currency would have to fall. All right, in case if you don't understand what I meant, just watch my previous videos on the DXY. I've posted like 3 or 4 videos. If you watch it, you will observe clearly. All right, so that is another confluence that I use to place the trade confidently. And as you can see, the DXY is indeed falling, and I expect it to fall down flat to this support level here. Okay, so that is why I'm confidently holding the buy on the GBP USD, which you can also see where I have my TP. So the more DXY falls, the more GBP USD will continue to rise. All right, okay, now we have $300 and still counting. All right, and I'm anticipating indeed to have it up to this level. So far so good. How many confluences have I showed you guys? I want to know those of you who indeed are following me bomber to bomber and who are understanding. So use the comment section. Tell me how many confluences did I use to place this trade right now. All right, and also drop your questions. I want to take your questions so that I can use it to teach you much better in subsequent videos. Okay, so now I'll have to start locking my profits by dragging my stop loss to cover my entry points. So guys, if indeed you love this strategy and you want to learn more about it, can you leave a comment on the comment section and let me know that, team, I love this strategy, and indeed it's going to motivate me to keep giving you guys more tips and ideas on how to make more money in the financial market using very simple strategies. Okay, for the meantime, traders, make sure you stay safe and keep winning.